I know I rap nice. Yeah, full of spice. Yeah, I get it right. I ain't worried about the price. I know that's a note. I know I'm not a joke. I freestyle till I'm old. This is my episode where I watch TV and then I just copy. I know I'm so sloppy. Yeah, I'm a nerdy that get real freaky on a beat. That's what it do to me. That's what it say to me. Like all the time. Through my rhymes, I'm doing fine. This is something different to me. It makes a lot of sense. This is something different to me. It makes a lot of sense. I start my verse too. Matter of fact, let me walk in my own shoe. Yeah, here's a clue. This is what I freaking do. I worry about me. I'm not worried about you. I ain't worried about the clock. I ain't worried about the Nope, no way. So I say, hey, I'm not lazy. It's my birthday and I celebrate. I'm doing okay. Oh yes I am. And I don't give up. And I don't give a crap. This beat bout to get slapped. Oh yes it is. I just handle my biz. And I meant what I said. And I meant what I did, yeah. This is something different to me. It makes a lot of sense. This is something different to me. It makes a lot of sense.